Yo, what's up boys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I recording Keydrop. I have 2k on my balance. Don't forget to follow me on my Kick and don't forget to follow me on my Twitter for daily live streams, daily giveaways and more content. Also don't forget to use best promo code Razor Affiliate on Keydrop for best bonus. Just connect your Steam account, click add phones in top right corner. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply for 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. On left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by everything. You can pay by skins, gift cards, Visa card, MasterCard. You can pay by crypto and more. Also on Keydrop you can claim free golds. You just need to click free gold section in top left corner. Scroll down and you can find steps how to claim it. Easy steps guys. With golds you can open cases, free cases. So let's claim it. Okay, today I will start with case battles guys. We need one good case battle, maybe this. It's already full. Okay, I will join this one case battle. $240, only 6 cases, armor cases. And let's see, first one. This one I'm for is $10. Okay, that's so bad. So bad start on Keydrop. Let's see, can we hit something better here? $15 voucher, okay. 4 more cases left. Come on. It's same price. We need one huge hit, man. One huge hit. Maybe one Prince from the Eagle. Or Vulcan AK. Come on, please. Look at this bait for knife. Holy shit, man. $4 lead. Only $4. Please. Last one. Yeah, Prince from the Eagle. Okay. That's GG, but that's not profit. That's not profit. $178. Okay, let's join this one. $89, 12 cases. Come on. Too many cases, guys, in this one case battle, but let's see. Maybe we can hit something good here. We need only one good hit. Only one. Maybe knife or lows or AVP. Let's see, Starfleet cases. 2 more left, come on. I think Starfleet case is best case from Galactic War event. So guys, you can check new event on Keydrop, Galactic War event. You can open Galactic War cases, you can create case battle with them. I think Starfleet is best one. You can try. Come on. One glows, please. He lead with $24. Come on. He got Wildfire AVP. $65. That's so bad, man. So bad. Okay, nomination case. And let's check last one case. Please, something good. One knife maybe. Unlucky. GG guys. And I will try with one Cobra case. $144 case battle. We need one player to join. Nobody joined. Let's try with Cyberbot. Come on, man. 6 cases in game. That's so bad start. So bad start. Last night I hit Karambit Tiger Tooth on my stream. So you can follow me on my Kick guys, Razor Affiliate. Every night I stream. You can join on giveaways. Let's see this one case battle. That's nice bait for knife. Okay, Cobra case. Cobra case for win. GG. What the fuck, man. Okay, this one case battle. $123. 7 cases. Start with Royal case. Okay, Mortis AVP, $1. Let's see Inspector cases. Only bullshit skins, man. Only bullshit. Imagine this one, Stiletto, guys. It's Fade, I think. Or Case Hardened. Okay, Prince USP $94, $96. Okay. And he got this one, Desert Eagle 69. Okay. But I lead with 121. This one, the Eagle, is 85. Oh my god. Last one case. It's GG, guys. $308. That's nice profit. Okay, we can try with upgrade now, guys. I'll try with print stream only 1.5. I'll try with Huntsman with red knife because my mask is red, my bucket head is red, and let's see. Looks good. Yeah, man. Yeah, $324. Okay, let's try with 2x here. One green knife. What do you think, guys? One green knife, please. Nice hit, $470. I can try with nomination cases. Only $3 case opening, and imagine this one lore knife, guys. Okay, let's check this one, case battle with YouTuber. 2 glows cases. He got marble fade. No, it's not marble fade, it's only fade. Please hit me something good, man. Okay, last one case battle, guys. 5 cases, 4 armor cases, and 1 cobra case. He got case hardened knife, but I got this one AK, $120, well worn. We need more here, please, man. Give me one knife. Okay, this one AVP 13, only 13. Drop me factory new. What the fuck? USP, okay. Really like $70 or $80. And wildfire AVP, how much is that? Man. Okay, definitely last one. Wish me luck here. Okay, I win this one. $97 is 91. So that's it, guys. If you're looking for best promo code on Keydrop, let's use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Just click add founds in top right corner in a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply for 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Don't forget to like and comment this video. Don't forget to follow me on my Kik and my Twitter Razor Affiliate. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye.